So I'm gonna talk about a couple of different things which I'm facing and kind of channel updates. So let's get started. And the first one of all is this channel has reached its first 100 subscribers, and that's kind of cool. And I want to thank all of you who just supports me, and without your support it will never be possible to reach 100 subscribers this short time. Maybe I'll make a celebration video very soon, and I'm now looking forward to 500,000, maybe 10,000. Well, I shouldn't dream like that now, whatever. So that's our first point. And the second point which I want to tell is that first of all, I thought that I should upload a video each and every weekend. Maybe that is Saturday, Sunday. I prefer to upload that on Saturday in kind of afternoon, maybe 12:30 or 1 p.m, something like that. But that's not the case, guys, because I'm not getting time to edit the videos, and that's for my, what can I say, I spent more than 12 hours outside my home, that is in my university, and sometimes I don't even remember my name when I come back from there. And even after coming home, I have to do my assignments each and every day, and at the weekend I got an intense pressure for the assignments to complete them and submit them on Monday. And for that reason I have many videos and projects ready, but I cannot edit them because it takes actually a lot of time to edit stuffs. It takes a whole lot of time to put the whole thing together. So my new decision is I will upload a video each and every weekend, but that may not be project videos. Maybe I'll discuss about the projects I made previously, or maybe I will discuss about something else, maybe some tutorials or something like that. That will be easy for me to do. And so that's on the second point, and now I'm coming to the third point, and that's the last point. And I'm going to show you what are the things I actually have in my hand now, but I am not getting time to edit them. And the first one of those all is finishing my boost converter. And if you haven't watched the video in my previous week, so I have to add a feedback to my boost converter to use it as a general purpose boost converter. And after finishing the boost converter by adding feedback, I will show you how to make the whole project on a piece of perf board, so that you can also use it as your own DIY boost converter. And the next will be a spot welder, which again embedded into my boost converter, as I've shown you in my previous video. Spot welder. So that will complete our boost converter series. And then the thing comes is I have also created a power bank powered speaker, and that will be in my power bank powered series. And the last video of that power bank powered series was a DIY soldering iron. Okay, everything is kind of okay, and as you can see, the audio, according to the amplification, the currents also changes. And I wanted to measure the maximum current it takes. For that I have to max out the volume. So as you can see here, this is the final product, and this looks kind of cool. That actually sounds pretty loud, and you can use it for a huge amount of time without again charging your battery. That's kind of cool. And in the last but not the least, I nearly created my own jet engine. We're gonna turn it on. 3, 2, 1. There we go. It's idle now. It's gonna pump up the voltage. Oh, squill bring it down or else it will fall. Also suffered from an accident. Starting from the beginning. 23. So there are actually much more of my projects which are actually I created but didn't have the time to edit my videos, and nearly my 320 GB multimedia hard disk which I used to store all of my videos nearly filled up with all these things, and it nearly maybe 100 GBs of my raw videos, and you know what, I'm not getting time to edit them. So that's all for today, guys, and hope you have enjoyed. I'm having pain in my hand to hold the camera now. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, thumbs down for the opposite, and if you haven't subscribed yet, then do subscribe to help me out to reach 500 subscribers. That's our next target. Whatever. This is Bakar, you are watching Outta Syllabus, and I'm signing off.